Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by making sure you have admin rights and saved work. This prevents interruptions. Once done, press the Windows key, type, create a restore point, and open the System Properties dialog. From there, choose System Restore to launch the wizard. You'll see available restore points. Read each label and timestamp to pick the right one. Make sure to note any recently installed apps you want to keep, because they may be removed during the restore process. Next, select the restore point that matches the time before the issue began. You can pick Recommended or Expand to show older points. Use Scan for affected programs to see what changes will occur. Once you understand the impact, confirm the target drive, usually C, and click Next, then Finish. The system will warn you it cannot be interrupted. Accept that. Your PC will reboot and apply the restore. This can take several minutes, so let it complete without power. After the restart, Windows reports whether the restore succeeded. Check applications and settings to confirm the problem is fixed. If the restore failed, don't panic. Restart into safe mode and attempt the restore again, or choose an earlier restore point. Make sure to run System File Checker with sfc/scano from an elevated command prompt if system files are corrupt. If you still have trouble, note the error message and consult support with that exact text.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.